Okay, so I'm going to be testing this a second time. It worked the first time, but I'm going to load the paper here. This has to be pulled back, of course, and load the paper. And then I'm going to be copying this side right here. So I put it in like this. Okay, and it's ready to copy. I'll press the copy button, tell it one copy, like that, and then it will copy that. Okay, and the original came out here, and the copy comes out the top, and we got a black and white copy of that copy there. And